I just found the village. No trespassing. Private property. Ito ay dagat. Kita na yung mangrove, oh. Ayun, oh. So, some mangrove sites there. Picture taking muna tayo. I found a way na titok ko yung camera para makuha ko yung picture, then I'll cut myself off. There. I can literally walk this. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Huh? Saan mo? Saan mo? And here we are. The picture 1, 2, 3. Hey, we are here. Mangrove. It's a protected site. So nilakad ko lang to simula sa D-Mall. Okay? So it's walkable, guys. It's walkable. Maybe I should call my blog Antukin Night Walker. Let's go. So mangrove is not new for me.
Ganda rito, no?
So here we go. Another site. Take a picture. 2, 3. Got a pipe there. So, family taking a picture. See?
Yan, ulo mo naman talaga. Alam ka doon, ah.